I have a pair of simultaneous equations here, so let's check our answer. Alright, so I already keyed in the functions needed, and let's check. X is 3, okay, so I got my X correct. Let's check for Y. Y is 1, okay, so I messed up my Y over here, alright? So what am I supposed to do? I can't use correction tape, I can't use correction fluid, so what I can do is actually stroke off all of this, right? So let's say if I were to stroke off this in exam, I will create an exam anxiety for myself, alright? I find that I don't have much space left to do my correction, you see? So what am I supposed to do? Hello student. Today's class is going to be HTCA, how to check your answer episode 4. So today's class is going to cover simultaneous equation. Let's show you how to do it. If you really enjoy the HTCA series, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. When you do simultaneous equation, right, it's very important that we actually fill up the answer section first, then only we do the working. It's actually the other way around. So let me show you how to use calculator. I want you to click on mode and you will see this screen of functions. So click on number 5, EQN, yeah? So click on number 5. Now, I want you to click on number 1 because number 1 is for simultaneous equation, right? So let's click on number 1. You will see exactly 2 rows shown to you. So you can compare. A is actually 3. So I'm click 3 and equal. They will ask you what is B. I'm going to follow. That will be 4 equal. And finally, click on C. So C is here, 14. I'm going to put 14 and press equal. So they will hop onto the second row. So second row, you just follow the second equation here. A is actually 5. B is 2. Lastly, C is 21. So I'm going to do that. Okay. So click on equal and there you go. So you will see the X is 4 and Y is actually 0.5. So what I will do is I'm going to write the answer here first. So you can put 0.5 or half. Then only go on to write your working and make sure they are going to match with X is 4 and Y is 0.5. I'm going to show you how to use FX570MS model calculator to do simultaneous equation, okay? So press mode 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now you will see the function EQN, equation. So press for number 1. And notice that simultaneous equations actually have 2 unknowns, which is X and Y. So you go for 2. Okay, now what is A1? You just follow the first row. So A1 is actually 3, equal. Now B1 is actually 4, equal. C1 14, so click 14, equal. They will ask you what is A2. A2 is actually 5, equal. B2 is 2, equal. And finally C2 is 21, so fill up, equal. Now you will see the answer already. X is 4 and Y is 0.5. There you go. Keep practicing. So we are going to do this question now. Again, press mode, go for number 5, EQN or equation. Now go for number 1 for simultaneous equation. Yeah, so number 1, you will get 2 rows. So let's fill up. A1 is actually 2, press equal. Now B is actually in front of Y, and you notice that there's no number shown here. It's actually meaning 1. So B1 is actually 1, equal. C1 is here, 7. So let's put in 7, equal. Now A2 is this one, second row. We got to put in 3, equal. Now B2, be very careful in front of Y and there's a negative there. So there's actually negative 1. So put in negative 1. And finally C2 is going to be 8. So let's put in 8, equal, equal again. Now you get the final answer already. So X is actually 3 and Y is 1. Quickly log in. X is 3, Y is 1. And then go on to do your working and make sure they are matching with the final answer. Let's practice for this question right now. So again, press mode 3 times. Go for equation, which is number 1. Okay, now unknown, press 2. Okay, so what is your A1? 2. B1 is 1. C1 is 7. Okay, now let's look for A2. A2 is 3. Okay, careful, yeah. B2 is actually minus 1, so negative 1, equal. C2 is 8, equal. So you get your answer. X is 3 and Y is 1. Okay, teacher show one last time, okay? So we are going to press mode. Go for number 5 for equation and then number 1, okay? So after that, let's key in our A1. So that will be 3,
equal. So this one, B1 is minus 8, negative 8. Be very careful. So I'm going to key in negative 8. C1 is 22, so just follow, equal. Now let's go for A2. A2 in front of X, they don't show any number, means 1, okay? So let's feed in 1. B2, okay, this is positive 4, put 4. Finally, C2, that will be 4 again, yeah? So just follow only. Okay, so we get X is 6, and then we have Y is negative half. So let's fill up the answer first. That would be negative half. There you go. And then make sure you do your working and they are going to match, okay?
So for this question, press mode 3 times, EQN number 1, unknowns 2. Okay, so A1 is 3, B1 is negative 8, yeah, have to be careful. Okay, C1 22 equal, A2 1, B2 is 4, and then C2 again 4, just press equal now, so you get X is 6 and Y is negative 0.5. That's it for this one. I will try to post more videos in the upcoming months, and for now the schedule is mostly Sundays or Mondays, okay? So I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.